Woohoo! Good morning, Keegan, Cash and Dino, Smooth Operator, let's go. Meh, Pro Trader, good morning, Loving Nature Guy, Happy New Year's Eve! Yay! We made it in 2025. Today is the final day of the year. We made it, you guys! We made it another year. Congratulations to all of us. Life can be hard sometimes, right? It can be. We just do the best that we can each and every day. Some days way easier than others, that's for sure. Yeah, how's everyone doing this morning? Dino, how are you? Happy New Year, Pro Trader. Keegan, how are you this morning? Final day of the year. Let's go. We get to welcome a brand new year, 2026. I can't wait. I feel like every New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, there's just so much hope, right? Like hope that this next year will be better, we'll have better health, better love, better everything for everyone. And yes, more money. I'm wishing all of that for all of you. I know life can be hard sometimes, right? It's hard for everyone. Everyone has those dips and hills. Oh, let's look at this trade. So I am in two minis right now. We do have some news this morning in about 29 minutes. Maybe I should close this out. This is, yeah, I'm gonna close it out. Close it up. Lock in a little profit there. Yeah, I am in a funded account this morning. So we need, if I end today positive with $100 or more, then we only need one more day of $100 or more. So hopefully on Friday, I'll get that. And then we can request $1,000 from My Funded Futures. Shout out to the My Funded Futures affiliate manager for providing us the accounts to give away today. So we'll be able to give away 2 of the core 50K funded accounts from My Funded Futures. Speaking of that, let me get that Google form going for you guys. Copy. Yeah, thank you so much, Chris. Chris is his name. He's been so great helping us grow our community and rewarding all of you guys for tuning in. Yes, everyone, please go and fill out the form for a chance to win. We will do the wheel together later during the show. And 2 lucky traders will win today. I'm also giving away 3 My Funded Future accounts through my X account at Terri Trades 100. I did pin it to the top of my, what do you call it? I don't know. My thing on X, it's pinned to the top. Okay, there we go. It's now, this one is pinned. So we're giving away a total of 5 accounts, 2 here and then 3 over on X. Hey, Trading Star, good to see you. Good morning, Heather. John King, good to see you here. Kay, Futures, Tris, Param, let's go. Mix, Sharuk, Ethan, Tris, some OG community members. You guys, we are doing so well with growing Terri Trades 100 channel. We are getting closer to getting monetized. Last time I checked, we were like 50% of the way there in watch hours. So now we only need, I think, 500 more hours of watch hours. And then we can get monetized, which is very exciting because then we can collect more monies and then provide more value, reinvest into our stream, and hopefully do more giveaways also. Hey, Corey, the phone trader, good to see you. Yeah, Corey has been on here. Thank you so much for joining us, Corey. on live on the Terri Trade Show. Let's go. Yeah, Corey, make sure you enter the giveaway. I pinned it to the top of the chat. Oh, thank you so much, King. Yeah, this year has just been incredible. Lots of ups, lots of downs. Yeah. Was I going to check something, you guys? I feel like I was because I got my phone. Um, yeah, lots of ups, lots of downs. I feel like mostly ups. Update on my mom's health. Likely the doctors are coming this week to the house, and likely they will be taking her off of the hospice care. So my mom is at home. She's under hospice care, but I take care of her at home because I know people will receive hospice care like in the nursing home. And likely they will be taking her off hospice. She'll go back to palliative care because her decline has kind of plateaued. And hospice care is like they keep renewing it every, I don't know, 30 to 90 days or something. But hospice care is really for like when someone's like about to die. And if someone plateaus, then they kick you out of hospice care and then you can go to palliative care, and then from palliative care, when she declines more, then she'll go back to hospice care. So that's good news, right? Like she is plateaued. She's better in that regard. She does have a terminal illness, so it's not like we're expecting her to recover or anything like that. It is the circle of life. It sucks. And I definitely have my moments where it's really tough and you cry, you go through grief, that kind of thing. Whew. Today's a moment of celebration. Oh, sorry, guys. Yesterday was just a really hard day. Yeah, I won't get into it, but so many blessings because she's still alive. She's so happy. She's so happy. She laughs and she smiles every single day. Uh, and I'm just so blessed that I'm able to take care of her. Um, in this last chapter of her life, right? Life is hard like that. It's amazing and wonderful. There's so many incredible things. Like I get to meet all of you and share, this journey of trading with you, and I get to learn about your journeys too. And we get to celebrate together, and we get to have fun together. And then there's the hard parts of life. And I know I'm not the only one. I know all of you guys experience difficult times in your life. We all have, right? So, I think what helps is like we don't have to do it alone. We do not have to do this alone. We don't have to do life alone. We don't have to do trading alone. And so I'm so thankful for all of you. Thank you so much for spending your mornings with me. Sorry about that. I was not expecting that. That's the thing about grief. It's like it just comes out of nowhere sometimes. Yeah, for the most part, like I'm doing really well, you guys. And my mom has had her disease for a few years now, so mm, it's not like a new thing, right? But yeah, I think last night was just like a tough night. Um, so oh, thank you so much, you guys. Thank you. Yes, thank you. I appreciate that. Success with Mike, Heather. A lot of love to you guys too. Yeah, this is true. I know. You guys just don't want to see me cry. I appreciate it. I appreciate it though. I appreciate it so much. Yeah, she's happy. She's sleeping right now upstairs. So, but what was I saying? You guys, let's talk about something really fun. Let's talk about something really fun. Thank you. I appreciate all of you. 100%. Yes, I will stay strong, Bat. Thank you, Trading Star. Yeah, right? Life is just it's up and downs for everyone, and we'll all go through, um, you know, we all go through it. It doesn't matter what type of upbringing you came from. It doesn't matter what country you live in or what country you're from. It doesn't matter your age. It's just life. It has its ups and downs, and we just do the best that we can each and every day, and try our best to be grateful, to see the glass half full. And that isn't every day. I have my moments, you guys, where I'm like so angry. So angry and just like annoyed or irritable. And yeah, I think in those moments it's like trying our best to not take it out on other people, and to recognize that, and then just to be like, and to name it, to be like, yeah, I'm feeling really crabby right now, or I'm feeling really irritable right now, and that's okay. And but not to like spew it out and be mean towards like people or random people. It's, yeah, that is definitely not my vibe. I know on X this morning I wrote in my post, because there's just so much negativity on X sometimes. And I think some of it is totally like, yeah, like people calling people out on stuff, which is, I think, important to happen, right? And but at the same time, sometimes there can just be so much negativity. And so when I was promoting our show today, to tell everyone that we're doing the giveaway on our show this morning, the first thing I wrote was, "I'm here for good vibes." I am here for good vibes, right? Type in one if you're here for good vibes too. I just love good vibes, you guys. It just makes life so much more enjoyable. It kind of reminds me of like if you go on it reminds me of going to an amusement park, and if you get onto a ride and it's just a terrible ride and you're like, "Oh my God, get me off this thing," versus if you go onto a ride at an amusement park and it's so much fun. You're laughing, you're screaming, like you're just having a great time. Yeah, I'm just so for the good vibes. Definitely. Yay! Oscar's in for the good vibes. Ty, Heather, Smooth, John King, Brent, TT Beezy is in for the good vibes. Wafa. Wafa's so positive, you guys. I love her posts on X. Son of Wall Street, let's go. So let's take a look at the charts together. So we do have news in about 20 minutes, a little less than 20 minutes. And the news, it does look like it's a red folder news. So it is unemployment claims. Forecasted, what is expected is 219,000. So I will turn on CNBC for us when we get closer to that, and we can listen to what they have to share with us. And yeah, look at this. We did fill this gap from Sunday. I think it'll be easier to see on the 5-minute. The overnight. So this is the 5-minute chart. Over here. I don't know what day this was. Oh, wait. So here we are, hovering over VWAP here. I wasn't that long. I was thinking we would get a retracement back to unchanged, but we do have that news. So that's why I took it off, which reminds me I have to make sure I take it off my other account. Yeah, so we will see what that news brings us. Who knows? Maybe on that news, it does fill the gap. I'm not sure. The overnight gap over here, 45 points, still unchanged. And oh yeah, it's right here. We're actually trading in this. This was a futures gap. It opened up and it just did not fill, which I thought was interesting. Over here. What day was this? This is from December 21st. And so far, we are trading below yesterday's low. I would expect us on a typical like balanced trading day, I would expect us to go up and at least test yesterday's low price. But it depends on that data, right? Like if that data is way off, I mean, really anything could happen. The market could just tank or it could just really rip higher. If it's as expected, mm, that might be a little trickier. So yesterday's range, the low was 668. The low of yesterday, 668. So let's say 670 to remember an easy number. We're really not far from that. Yeah, I could see us go test that. Also, when we look at the volume profile here, you can see most of the majority of the trading did happen down here. And the fact that we are trading above those prices does mean, at least right now in time, it does mean it's more bullish. But like I said, in 15 minutes, that news will come out. So we shall see. We are trading above VWAP. That is interesting. Oh, let's take a look at gold together. Man, gold has just been going berserk. So gold is down 1.36% after that really big move down that we had just the other day. So we had a really big move down. I think at one point I saw it was down over 200 points in gold, which is with just one mini. I believe that is $20,000 if you were able to catch that entire move down, which is a huge move for gold. I mean, yowzas. So if we look at the daily chart, yeah, you can see this massive red candle took out 1, 2, 3, 4 trading days in gold. And then this is interesting, right? On the daily. So we're on the daily right now. So we had this really big day down, and then to be expected, some type of bounce. But this is what I think is interesting. I think this is called like a pin bar, where it looks like a little like a thumbnail almost. It is such a rejection candle. So it's not surprising that we did end up trading below. I actually nuked an account last night because I mean, not because, multiple reasons. Multiple reasons. But my idea was correct, which was we would trade down here, but I was oversized, and then one thing led to another. we're we're not gonna talk about that. Oh my gosh, yeah. If you know, you know, right? Oh, trading, I tell you. So, but yeah, it is. Sometimes you get the idea right, but your sizing is all wrong. So it's like a no bueno. I haven't noticed with myself that if I have an idea for the day and I trade it incorrectly, and if I trade it incorrectly, that can send me on tilt, you guys, because it feels very like, oh, it feels so frustrating. Um, so something for me to be aware of as far as like triggers for myself. Oh, everyone, please smash that like button if you haven't already. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you on Chrome. It really does. It does happen to everyone. It doesn't matter who you are, how good of a trader you are. Tilt does happen to everyone. And I think like if you work for like a brick and mortar prop firm, they have major hard stops in place, right? To like they will kick you out of the office. Like once you've hit your max loss, I mean, you're locked out, you're done. Like they're like, get out of the office, go home. Versus us at home, it's like the pros and the cons of everything. The pros is we have so much more flexibility. We can do whatever we want whenever we want. We are our own bosses. And then the downside is also that like yeah, it's easier to go on tilt. There's no one to stop us. We have to stop ourselves, kind of thing. Alfred says, I blew my funded Rapid account. Oh, that sucks, Alfred, because I forgot about the intraday trailing. Oh, man. And my short came back on me and got liquidated the account. Oh, that sucks, Alfred. I know you'll be right back on it. You'll be funded again, because you're so good. Yeah, just a tiny, tiny speed bump. Like another day, right? That sucks though when you lose accounts because of something like silly. Yeah, I know how you feel. Hey, Ram, good morning to you. Good morning, Bori. Thank you. Son of Wall Street. TTBZ says, yeah, when I make a mistake, the tilt time. Yeah, I hear you. Same. Same. It doesn't matter if it's a mistake that I purposely did or a mistake that I accidentally did. Yeah, with the mistakes. And like you guys, like the revenge trading is so, it's like a baby of tilt, because like to me when I think of the word tilt, it's emotional trading. It's you're just like out of your mind, and you're just like, it's purely emotions at that point. And tilt, before we actually get to that point, there are warning signs before we get there, but most of the time we're like, by the time you get there, it's almost too late, right? Like I was yeah, I won't even tell you guys some stories. We'll save that for a different day. But yeah, by the time you get there, you're already there. And I've heard from like traders that make a ton of money. I've heard them say, like for example, JCap on his YouTube, on one of his YouTube videos, he said that tilt still happens, but it just happens like you learn to control it. It happens less. And this is coming from someone that has taken out, I believe, a $2 million payout from Apex. So I think that's very valuable information for all of us, that we're human and it happens to us and it's okay. We just have to try and learn from it each time. I was thinking about this. Has my trading improved this year? And it has. It sometimes it's hard to see that. I'm curious, are you guys feeling like your trading has improved this year? Type in one if you feel like it's improved. At least like a little bit, right? We're not looking for huge improvements because that takes time. I think that's just unrealistic to think like overnight we're going to become part of the 1% of the top traders. But what we are looking for is improvement, and improvement can look in different ways. So like one way I can say I've improved is I've been able to get more consistent payouts. The last few months, I think I've hit a payout, at least one payout, if not more, every single month, which is a huge improvement, because in the beginning of this year, I went through, I don't know, maybe a 3-month dry spell of no payouts. Wow, look at this, you guys. Yay, that's awesome. I'm so happy to hear you guys. So many people are saying, yes, your trading has improved over this year, over 2025. Today's the final day. Ty, TTBZ, Bent Young, Son of Wall Street, King Trading, Cobop, Gen X Trader, Pro Trader, Marbra, Success with Mike, Mix, Oscar, Cruz, Clarity. Yeah, let's go. Lots of improvement. Oh, LNT Trades. Yes, okay, I do see. Oh, Shadow Dragon too. We're just looking for a little improvement. R. Francis, let's go. Okay, gold is catching a little bit on this bar. Still down about 48 points. Okay, we have news in about 6 minutes. Oh, dear. It's it's starting to fill the gap. That's okay. I was being responsible, right? I am, this is a funded core account, so I can trade news. I can be in a trade while news hits. you can, if it's part of your strategy, you can, trade that 7:30 candle. I did review the rules though, and I did see something in there that said, this is with my fund of futures with the core accounts. It did say something about it's prohibited. News trading is prohibited if you're just trying to like gamble the news, basically. But it's fine if it's part of your strategy. So just a heads up, you guys. Like if you typically trade breakouts, like off a 5-minute 7:30 candle, I think that would be fine, right? I am not part of the risk team, so I don't know. It's just my interpretation of it, though. Hey, Alfred, net positive in 2025. Congratulations, my friend. That's huge. I see big things happening for you in 2026. And I know one of your goals is to trade full time, I believe, right, Alfred? You would like to trade full time, and I don't want to say anything if your fans from work are listening. But most people, they do want to leave their 9 to 5s, right? So yeah, I think for a lot of people, our goal is to make all our monies from the markets. Yes, that is the goal. Let's go. Alfred, this time next year, we are going to review the year. And I just know that 2026 is going to be amazing. And I know that for all of us, for all 94 people listening, watching right now, that as long as we keep working at it throughout this whole year, and as long as we don't quit, we will get better and we will be able to meet up again this time next year. And hopefully we'll be able to do bigger giveaways on New Year's Eve. I just know that we'll be able to look back and say, yeah, like I improved again. So just like every year, we're just like climbing our way up, 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 a little bit at a time. Yeah, and I've shared that many times on the My Funded Future streams. Such an important aspect of that is we have to be able to survive the learning curve, which can take years. So it's so important to make sure you set a budget, a monthly budget, make sure all your bills are getting paid, and whatever money you're using to buy evals and pay for activation fees, like whatnot, is disposable income. It's not going to hurt you. You're not going to be in a really terrible place, because it's important for us to feel good about this endeavor and this hobby, right? Like it's a hobby until you can make money from it professionally, consistently, and that's okay. Like I feel like we have such a bias towards kids. Like a lot of parents will spend lots of money on their kids hobbies, kids sports, like that kind of thing. As adults, like we get to do that too. Like we get to spend money on ourselves, and we get to improve our life and bring joy to ourselves. So this is just part of it, right? And when we put it into that perspective, it's like, okay, it's all good. Okay, here we go. News in 2 minutes. Let's go. Let me pull up the news channel for us. It always creeps up on me, this news, you guys. It happens so quickly. Okay, NASDAQ wanting to fill that gap, about 28 points until unchanged.
After Homogo cleaned our place for $19, we fired our old housekeeper. Homogo tackled everything.
Okay, commercial.
All our laundry. You just pick a date, pick a cleaner, and enjoy a spotless house for $19. Every day, I'm checking the markets throughout the trading session, working the phones, talking to sources to share insights, information, and all of the details that you need to make money.
Closing bell overtime for Easter and Street.
Let's go, let's go.
They are trying to shut down
news in less than 1 minute. Ooh, 26 seconds.
Or 20 milligram generic
Good luck, everyone, if you're trading news.
For just 87 cents in less than 2 minutes. Do this.
Hey, Martin.
First, scan the QR
Smith,
code
good
to
morning.
go to
Let's go.
getfridayplans.com. Then,
Talk
you select if you need
6916.
generic Viagra
All
or
right, news
Cialis,
in
the
15
quantity you need,
seconds.
and the
13
dosage.
seconds.
I'll pick 100 milligram. Thank you very much. And then their system will see if you qualify.
Okay, CNBC is a little delayed on my news. Red folder news. Here we go. A pretty big spread here, the bid-ask spread. Okay, let's see how quickly Forex Factory comes in with the news. It still says pending. This is unemployment claims. 199,000 versus what was expected was 219,000. So below expectations.
HQ for the last data set of 2025. Initial jobless claims for the week ending December 27th. Under 200,000. 199,000. Sorry, got a little excited there. We don't have many of these numbers under 200,000, and we know many are going to point to seasonalities due to holiday issues and work week number of days. But if you just look at it on the surface, 199,000 will be the lowest since it was 192, which was supposedly a distortion.
This is the 1 minute
for
chart.
Thanksgiving on the week of 11/28, and that was the lowest going back to the fall of 22 when it was 189.
Unemployment
See how
claims
bunched up they are?
lower
That
than
goes back
expected, so that means the
1969.
economy
Now,
is doing
continuing
better
claims,
than
back
expected,
under
right?
1.9 million. 1,866,000. We had a couple under 1.9. Then last week we popped above it. Now we're back below it a bit. Once again, now this is the week ending December 20th. It really shouldn't have any distortions due to the closure for Christmas, but
Take a
nonetheless,
short.
I'm sure seasonal issues probably are coming into play here. Real quickly, let's just look at the fact that we're at what, 346 on a 2-year. That would be down what, 78 basis points for 2025. And here we are at 413 on a 10-year. That would be down 45, 46 basis points. So these are the way the numbers stand. I think the best way to look at year end here is the 210 spread. That spread right now, hovering at 68 basis points, is the widest in 4 years, basically January of 22. And the reason I find that so fascinating is, well, just look at the minutes to the last Fed meeting. Everybody's going in different directions. Many are worried about inflation. Many are talking about they do still see eases in 2026. If you put that together, what does it spell? Steepening yield curve. Joe, back to you.
Interesting.
All right, Rick. Fantastic. Happy New Year. Let's bring in.
Uh-oh. Are we still streaming? I hope so. I accidentally closed the the window. Oops. I accidentally closed the YouTube window. Are we still streaming? Let me know. Type in chat, please. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Did I accidentally end the stream? Still here! Yes! Okay, awesome. That was funny. Okay, let me see if I can pull it back. Go live. Will this just start a new one though? I hope not. Oh, there you guys are. I see you. Okay, it's all good. Yay! So we'll just let this short cook. Ooh, it's going against me now. Okay. I'm going to. I might close it out because. Oh wait, let's see. Let's give it a little time. I'm just thinking that because I want to focus on our giveaway together. Oh, it looked like it wanted to go lower, but now it's going a little higher. I do think today we will go revisit some of these lower prices. I also like that fundamental news, the economy's doing better than expected as far as like jobs. So then that has it can have a negative effect on the market, at least in pre-market anyways. Like good news is bad news in a way. So that's part of the reason why I got into the short. We shall see though. Let's see what happens. I'm going to tighten my stop. And if we get stopped out, that's okay. I'm going to put it above here. An inside bar is forming on the 1 minute. I do like this volume profile to fill in some of this space. And we are above VWAP quite a bit, so a little bit of a mean reversion trade. Point of control, it looks like it's at right about where my TP is. So I do like it. So if this hits stop loss, it's okay. I'm okay with that. It's such a tight stop. This is like, what? Tiny. 10 points. Okay, let's do our giveaways though, because I know that takes time. Alfred, totally. Okay, let's do it, everyone. I am going to go, I'll give you 30 seconds to fill out that form if you haven't already, and then I'm going to close out that form. Hey, Pine Tree Traders in the house. Let's go. Oh my gosh, Pine Tree Traders saying we have to get all those likes. Everyone, smash that like button, please. Thank you, Pine Tree Trader. Okay, 30 seconds. And it's probably gonna hit my stop. It's okay. Here we go. I'm going to go close the giveaway now. Has it been 30 seconds, you guys? Yes, good luck, everyone. I feel like it's been about 30 seconds. Okay. The giveaway form is now closed. So now, oh, stop hit. No problemo. Okay, so now we have to go over here and I have to do this. And I'll give you some music. Okay, now I'm going to prepare the form. Thank you for subscribing. Okay, now I'm going to delete any duplicates, which everyone's been really great about. We haven't had any duplicates so far. Okay, please delete duplicates. Isn't that funny? I'm so polite with AI. I wonder if over time our society will stop using please and thank yous because of AI. Gemini, Google Gemini is thinking. Ooh, it says analyzing complex cases, extracting complex handles, it says. Oh, here we go. That's so cool. Amazing. Did it all for me. Oh, it's still thinking. It says show thinking. Okay, I got him. Now I'm going to copy it. And we're going to do the wheel. Let's go. Copy. Wheel of names. Yay! Here we go. Ta-da! 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 Are you guys ready? Type in 1 if you're ready. We are giving away 2 50K core accounts completely free from My Funded Futures. You do have to be eligible to trade with My Funded Futures. Type in 1 if you're ready. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I need to see a bunch of ones. I'm motivated by ones. Here we go. Click to spin. Yeah! Let's go. Happy New Year's Eve, everyone. Here goes the first one. Good luck, everyone. Ooh! Congratulations. Okay, I have to write down your name so I remember. Here, I'll just take a picture. Easier, right? Congratulations, Smoke, aka Ashan. Let's go. You win a 50K core account. And I will be emailing you to get your email associated with My Funded Futures, because that's how My Funded Futures will credit your dashboard. Okay, remove. Let's go. Thank you for subscribing. Okay, I need more ones, you guys. More ones to pick the second winner and the final winner of the 50K core account giveaway. Woohoo! Let's go. Okay. Tell me when, you guys. Type in 1 to tell me when to press this button. this button right here. Look at all the beautiful names. Thank you, you guys, for tuning in every morning. Let's go! Happy New Year's Eve! Woo! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Who is it? Oh, Shakru! Nishar! Congratulations! You win a 50K core account from My Funded Futures. I will be emailing you shortly. Whew, congratulations. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me today. This was really fun. Happy New Year's Eve. I wish you a wonderful last day of 2025 and an even more amazing 2026. Have a wonderful green day, and if you have a red day, I hope it's a very small red day. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you guys next year. I'll see you on Friday. I'll be back here on Friday. Bye, guys.